Abasi, the distant creator in Efik cosmology. The Efik people, indigenous to Nigeria and Cameroon, possess a rich tapestry of beliefs woven around their supreme being, Abasi. This narrative offers a unique perspective on creation, divinity, and human existence. At the heart of Efik cosmology lies the concept of Abasi, a term signifying the Almighty Creator. This supreme being, residing in the celestial realm, is believed to have created the universe and everything within it. However, unlike many monotheistic religions, Abasi's role in human affairs is notably distant. The Efik believe that Abasi, together with his consort Atai, initially shared a heavenly abode with their divine offspring. This idyllic existence was disrupted when the children, yearning for independence, descended to earth. Despite being forbidden from procreation and land cultivation, they disobeyed, leading to their eventual return to the celestial realm. During their heavenly sojourn, the children acquired knowledge of creation, music, and various skills. Atai, fearing their potential to eclipse Abasi's power, closely monitored their activities. Ultimately, the children's rebellious nature compelled them to return to Earth. Upon their descent, they multiplied, cultivated the land, and established human society. Yet, their actions sowed discord and suffering among their progeny. Witnessing this decline, Abasi and Atai withdrew to the celestial heights, disengaging from human affairs. This narrative underscores a fundamental aspect of Efik belief. Abasi is the ultimate creator but not a directly involved deity. The Efik people do not invoke Abasi for daily matters or personal requests. Instead, they rely on ancestral spirits and secret societies to intercede on their behalf. These intermediaries, closer to the human realm, are seen as more accessible and responsive to the people's needs. This concept of a distant, creator deity contrasts sharply with many Western religions that emphasize a more involved and interactive divine presence. While Abasi remains the supreme being, the Efik people's spiritual practices primarily revolve around the veneration of ancestors and other spiritual entities. This belief system offers a complex and nuanced understanding of the divine and human relationship. It highlights the importance of community, ancestral wisdom, and spiritual intermediaries in navigating life's challenges. While Abasi is the foundational principle, the Efik people's spiritual life is deeply rooted in the world they inhabit and the spirits that surround them.